last time I had trouble freeing the refrigerator.
See, look at the dirt that's in this thing. This is all broken in the back. It's got like all this major rust here. Look at the hornet's nest. See it? This is definitely not something I would want to run on propane at all.
Stop. I got it.
You're gonna get down and you want to pull it, or what? It's gonna be heavy going down.
Yeah, I got it.
I just
Only
think
3 things will fall out.
I think it's better just to turn it this way and just try to get it up. Like, I don't know how heavy this is. Can you lift it or not? Is it gonna fit? Oh crap! I don't think this thing fits through the door.
Yeah, it will.
Hold on.
Let's go.
Oh.
Ready?
Lift it up. Hold on. I drank all the dust that's on this thing. I'm choking over here. Put it down.
Ready? I got it out.
Is it on the floor?
Yeah.
Now we lift it up from here. I can't. I said all the dust is in my throat. I'm dying. I think there's a wasp ball in my. I can't.
Looking at a self-made woman, you should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming.
It's been lodged in there. It's a hairball. There's a hairball lodged in there from 1982. Oh my gosh. All right, this is just day 1.
Well, not really. It's been for 3 weeks now. We just got the refrigerator out.
Oh man.
What you doing?
Man, she likes licking that. Oh, what time is it? I gotta put on the crock pot.
Why do you like licking that? Why do you like licking that? Why?
Okay, Christian called me in here. Not sure what's going on. Wow, that doorway is huge. I didn't never seen this doorway how big it is without the bifold.
We're gonna keep this part.
Oh, that's for the side wall. What is that?
With any fabric.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to put that back to seal that up there.
See?
We're gonna put a tension rod, and we're gonna end up putting a curtain there. We can always get another piece of trim for that too.
And yesterday you were starting peeling all like.
Yeah, this because this
here.
laminate was coming. This see, this is what I'm saying. This is not wood.
All of that was coming off.
That laminate is coming off on this area here, and then on this side too. So we are probably gonna peel that laminate off because we can't paint over that. The doors, the rollaway doors, we're gonna keep those wood looking. It's not real wood, but it does look nice, and we're gonna paint everything else white. And then this laminate that's here, I do not like because it's just a laminate, so we're gonna paint that too. But the rollaways, we're gonna keep that with that wood look. It's gonna look good. It almost has like I don't know. It reminds me of like a safari theme. Big mess here.
I found some papers underneath the couch.
What is
Like they were
this?
from the previous owner. Again.
Some money?
No, this is like from the dealer. Like that they were the previous spot it. This is the person who first had it. Or don't show his name. And his address. But and I found this picture. And I stumbled along with this. This is an adapter. Check this out. Look at this.
That wasn't there?
That was in here. And I found this.
Oh, that looks cool.
I've been trying to open that, but that doesn't want to open. Here's a U-Haul thing that they cut out, and here's some lights.
Okay, just keep everything in there.
So
Put those papers in the bottom.
That paper goes with you.
Okay.
Because, you know, it associates with the...
I don't know what this is. Pictures in there.
Yeah, I found this picture on the couch.
$6 prize required for 1 giveaway entry. Icart, Indiana, Camco. Man, that's old. That's probably like if you bought the RV, you had like $1 to spend at Camco, the store. You see, on the property, we are cleaning up all the junk that we had amassed here. A whole bunch of stuff that just gets stuck there. And Christian's bringing back the cover from my truck. Because when I drive with the AiRSTREAM, I'm going to need that. So we're going to keep it back here behind the shed. So I'm going to be growing stuff this year. And we're going to be composting a little bit better this year. So we're going to be doing several projects. And so we're going to keep a lot of our farming stuff here, back here. And we have a friend. And we have a friend. Did the friend stay?
Yeah.
He's still here.
It's actually a sheep.
You're gonna have to go, buddy. Or you could live back here, one of the two. It's a cutie. Alright, let's go, Frog. They fixed the fence. I haven't seen you in a while. Oh. Why are you trying to chew the fence up? Oh, he want to come in here. He's trying to break the fence to come in here. He is not a happy camper. They're so cute. But I'm looking for Missy because I've been mulching over there and I don't see Missy anywhere. She was out here with me. I don't want goats. I don't want anybody in here. So I'm going to fence this in, and then we are going to have a vegetable garden, actual vegetable garden. Then over on that side of the house, we cleaned up all junk that was over there, and over there I'm going to make a herb garden because it doesn't get direct sunlight. It's just partial sun, and I think the herbs will do much better over there than over here. Plus any greens. We're going to start planting under the trees with tubs. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube about that. I guess it's starting to pour, so I guess I better hurry up. I got it done. I was pouring, but I got it done. It actually doesn't feel bad because it's very refreshing. My feet are like I'm so wet and so dirty. My shirt got stained from picking up the mulch bags, but I should put the fan on. She just feels so happy. It's hot out there. I don't blame her for being inside.
Next time on SimplyRVing.
To wash down that mildew, that mold, and that grimy stuff.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share it, and please subscribe.